How to buy Bitcoin with Cashapp. Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'm just going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. All you're going to do, if you have Cashapp, it means your bank account is already linked to the app. So you simply go down to the bottom and click the little squiggly line located beside the dollar. That's the investing button. It'll take you to the investing page. At the top, Bitcoin should be highlighted. It should be blue. And you'll see three buttons down at the bottom. One says buy, one says sell, and one is an arrow. You'll simply click buy. It should say buy Bitcoin, standard one-time order. You can press the three dots to do a custom amount. Put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, and then you click next. It will show you the bank that the money is going to be taken from. That should be the bank that your Cash App is attached to. It'll show you the amount of sats that it's going to cost, which are the Bitcoin things. The exchange rate for Bitcoin at the moment that you purchase it, and the symbol. Make sure it says BTC if you're buying Bitcoin. That's what Bitcoin is, BTC. The total amount of Bitcoin that's purchased. Even though I put $150 in there, it says $146.98 because there's a fee of $3.02 that's removed. So if you want to actually have or send $150, you'll need to spend a little bit more to cover the cost of the fees. And then you'll press confirm to make the purchase. That's all you need to do to purchase Bitcoin. Now, when you want to send Bitcoin, since I don't have any Bitcoin in this account right now, I'm not going to be able to show you everything, but it's pretty self-explanatory. When you're ready to send, you simply click on this little arrow, and that arrow gives you the opportunity to send Bitcoin. You'll simply put in how much Bitcoin you want to send. Since we tend to work with dollars and cents, you're going to click on this area here to switch it to dollars, and then you'll put in how much money you want to send in Bitcoin. And then you'll click on the send button. After you click on the send button, you will be given the opportunity to put an address, a Bitcoin wallet address in, and you want to make sure that the wallet information is accurate. I usually check the first three characters, then the last three characters of a wallet ID. Every wallet allows you to copy the wallet address without having to copy and highlight it yourself to make sure that there are no errors. Make sure you have the correct wallet ID that you're sending the Bitcoin to, because once you send, that's it. If you send your Bitcoin to the wrong place, you're not getting it back. I hope you found this to be helpful. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.